Today I am shopping at the Goodwill Outlet Bins. Looks like they have a lot of stuff today. Pottery piece. Kind of like this greenery. Oh, it's stuck to the jar, but it's yellow. I think I'm gonna leave that here. It's a little chicken. It's all cracked. If you have not been to the Goodwill Bins, it's all these bins full of stuff and you just come dig. It's like a treasure hunt. You never know what you're gonna find. Here's a blanket, but I don't think it's old. I think this is a newer piece. I see some stains on it. Some mystery stains, so I think I'm gonna leave this here. These are my favorite parts. These bins full of stuff. Oh, what's this? That's cute. It holds little tiny candles. I would definitely take out the greenery, but I like this. I have a bunch of picture frames. Here's a little brass one. That'd be cute in a mystery box. I definitely need some mystery box items. I have not been finding any lately. Hello. Christmas gnome. Ooh, what's this? It says Italy. Is there any chips? I think the side's missing some flowers right here. I love the color of that though. This piece looks interesting. It says West Bend, USA. Oh, it has a big chip right here. I like it better this way without the image. I like this color. And it has the lid. But I don't know. I think I might get this and put it on top of my cabinets. I just found this quilt and it has definitely seen better days, but I really like the colors in it, and if you fold it up and use it as a piece of decor, it kind of doesn't matter. I had a cabinet, like a glass cabinet, and I had a bunch of vintage quilts just kind of folded up and stacked in there, and it looked so beautiful. So I'll probably let this one go for a really great price just so I can rescue it, and hopefully somebody else will see the same vision that I have for it. Here's some toys. What's this? It's a little silver urn. Hey, how's it going? Ooh, a double recipe box. That's a good find. I'm definitely going to get this. What's in here? What is this white piece right here? Oh, I like this Estee Lauder bag. That's cute. Ooh. I don't see any chips on this. There's no markings on the bag, but it's definitely old. Look how pretty that is. Oh, there's a break right there. Can y'all see that? Right here, somebody repaired it. So pretty though. I might still rescue it. Now let me know what y'all think about this break. If I could sell it like that, or if it's a piece I'm gonna have to keep. I might keep it. It's very pretty. Here's a metal bucket. That's always a good thing to have in your craft stash. Oh, look at this. Little Big Bird radio. Oh, some Scrabble pieces. This is also a really great thing to have in your craft stash. Little ceramic house. Oh, what is this? I think it was an animal, but it's missing his head. I think it's a dog, judging by the tail. This is plastic. I thought it was glass. Music is really loud. Right here, let's move along. Ooh, look at this. I wonder if I could get the glass off of here. That's so cute. I'm gonna put it in my cart and look at it a little closer. This. Ooh. I see something exciting down here. One lone finial. I didn't see any other ones. Nope. It is a Minnie Mouse though. Look at this little box. It's like a little vintage sewing box. Oh my gosh, y'all, it has a quilt on top of it. I think if I just took off this pink ribbon, which I don't think is old, that would change the whole look of this piece. This is adorable. Look how good it looks on my quilt. It seems like this is on here pretty good, but I think I'm still gonna get it. I'm gonna apply some heat to it, like a heat gun, and see if I can get that glue to loosen up, and then we could redo that piece, update the flowers, and I think that would look really pretty. Oh, this is so cute. This little magnolia teacup. Oh, look at that. I think I'm gonna get this to put in a mystery box. I love this. There's no markings on it, but it definitely looks old. This is exciting. Look at my cart. It's been a while since I had a good day at the bins. Oh, look. Oh, it says New Mexico. I thought it was a bird. It's a roadrunner. These caught my eye. I love getting these little plates just to use as risers. Like, watch this. So when I'm decorating, I'll take this and then I'll put like a teapot or something on it, and I just think that looks so pretty. Well, here's a white teapot. I love decorating with plain white teapots. This one has no markings on it, and it looks like it's been taped up, and it has a lot of residue, so I don't think I'm gonna get that. What is this? I don't think I'm gonna get this piece either. I'm gonna grab these plates and add them to my stash. They have these glassware pieces that look interesting. I don't know a lot about glassware. I wonder if they all had this piece originally, because they all look the same. I don't know. I'm gonna leave those here for someone else. And it just looks like toys down this way. I need to dig faster. They are taking bins away that I have not dug through yet. Puzzle. This is all clothes and shoes right here. What is this thing right here? Oh, that's interesting. It says footage indicator, channel master, rewind, fast forward, play. This is cool. I think this would look neat just as a piece of decor in a room on a shelf. Might be worth some money though. I love the look of it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. And it even has the case with it. I don't know if it works. I don't know how you'd be able to test it out. Oh my gosh, look at this little cat. Is that the cat from Alice in Wonderland? Oh, it has a signature on the bottom. It says Armand Essen, I think. Michelle Higgins. Oh, he's cute though. A bunch of hangers here. Check out this cabinet. That would be great in a bathroom, or that'd be a good quilt cabinet. They just brought out a new bin, so everybody in the store was there, and I yelled, "Ooh!" and held up these scissors, and everybody just looked at me like I was crazy. But I was really excited about them. I love these kind of scissors. I have one in my master bedroom in a big spool of twine, and it looks so cute. Alright guys, I think that is going to be it for today's shopping trip at the Goodwill Bins. This is very exciting because the past few times I came, I have not found much, and I haven't really wanted to come. You get more motivated when you find good stuff. So this has definitely motivated me. I might have to come back tomorrow. I found some amazing things today. Y'all definitely leave me a comment below and let me know what's your favorite item. I love what's happening right here with this little basket and the quilt and these little scissors. They are adorable. Y'all let me know what is your favorite item. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent. I hope y'all enjoyed this fun shopping adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.